stay on with us as we're tracking further updates, this time from Hungary. Now we're learning that several thousand people attended a pride march in the Hungarian university city of Pecs in defiance of an official ban. The crowd spotted colorful flags as well as anti-government signs bearing slogans such as "Hungary is a dictatorship." Now, organizers have circumvented a ban on pro-LGBTQ protests by declaring the parade's purpose was to draw attention to the overpopulation of wild animals and the accidents they cause. Police banned the Pecs Pride March on the 6th of September, followed by the Supreme Court's order on the 15th of September, and participants can now face fines. In fact, Viktor Orban's ultra-conservative government adopted a law banning LGBTQ parades in mid-March. Orban has framed the restriction as an effort to promote child protection. In fact, members of the European Parliament, including independent Romanian MEP Nicole Stefanuta and Luxembourg's Green MEP Tilly Metz, showed up to show solidarity with the community. Listen in to what the attendees had to say.
Egyrészt sajnos nem csak az LMBTQ-ról szól ez a tüntetés, hanem az alapvető emberi jogaink korlátozásáról, és ez egy szempontból jó, mert így valószínűleg még több embert érdekel, és több ember fog kijönni így a tüntetésre, de közben meg nagyon szomorú, hogy ilyen formán akarják korlátozni a gyülekezési
jogainkat. Jövünk ki. Én közvetlenül nem tartozom az LMBTQ szervezetekhez, a közösséghez, de nagyon sok tanítványom, nagyon sok barátom igen, és nem is értem azt, hogy miért kell őket tiltani. Rengeteg jó értékes emberek vagyunk mind, egyszerűen felfoghatatlan, hogy a szabadságjogainkat megfosszák. Akinek nincs szabadsága, ha másnak nincs szabadsága, akkor nekem sincsen.
Still with us on the broadcast is Mr. Ross Feingold. We can clearly see thousands have defied the ban that was put in place by the Hungarian government and the Supreme Court as well, in order to advocate for LGBTQ rights in Hungary. But considering that the court too ordered this ban, do you think there will be now legal consequences for the protesters who come out on the streets and they're going to have to face fines and potentially something even worse?
I would expect the government and prosecutors to take action against people who violated the court ban, if for no other reason that the government needs to show its own supporters that they are serious about enforcing relevant laws. Now, those laws might not be popular in other parts of Europe, and even within Hungary, people might object to it as well. But again, the government, this conservative government, their positions on LGBT rights are very clear, and they have to show their supporters that they're willing to enforce those laws and maintain those views. However much it might cause criticism from other parts of Europe.
All right, so with that, I would like to thank you for taking out time and sharing your perspective with us on NewsX World.